Caroline, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, eastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Berks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 10:45 a.m. At 9:42 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Valley to near Leonville-Markwood, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, Forks, East Norton, Emmaus, Northampton, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Byram, Wilson, Downingtown, Souderton, Bedminster, and Washington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 17. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 4. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 41 and 76. Pennsylvania Turnpike between exits 312 and 320. Northeast extension between exits A31 and A56. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Lehigh, Montgomery, and Northampton. The severe thunderstorm